This is Nuova Optics JBR Dubai Marina. We repair eyeglasses, and if your eyeglasses are not well fitted, causing vision or alignment problems, or are not fitting properly on your nose, or if you have broken eyeglasses, please do contact us at +971 5055 22781. Our well-professional technicians can resolve all kinds of spectacle issues.
Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to sharing more with you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.